what happened yesterday, a lot of people are calling me on phone, Jpac. Ebura Akwa. What they hear my geku. See, let me tell you, Ojiwayo ade meruaro. Ojiwayo ade meruaro. Makana nam na agwa mu we kwuo se na ọ bụ na ị na-eje ije tata, make sure you call me on phone. Gwa m ebe ị na-eje and the environment ka m gwa gị ihe ị ga-ekwu ma ị ruo. People might be saying me Jpac you talk too much, but there's some aspect of life. Oga Boruo, I keep mood. Maybe underground work. I keep mood. Maybe underground calling. Maybe underground consultation. Everything I brought talking. Everything I brought how I say the if you want people need news, leave them, let them carry news. People need update, leave them, let them carry update. That update of how many minutes is not something that will give me money tomorrow. It's not gonna put food on my table. It's just to make you get relevance. You have your page, where view, where Yeah, it got viral for that main time. Everything I broke, I do update. It was I didn't post Akwa. I post from the interview. Why I did not post the interview is because and may post the interview even man with a consultation people I will call. Joe had the main updates. Man some appeal me on the ground. Posting an interview Akwa is kind of mockery. I don't post that kind of thing. Only open an AJ police no problem. But somebody like me, I have been to police custody more than 3 times. Then you go zone 2, J zone 7. Jpac zone 7 again 2 times, J zone 2. So Namadegara police abro if the blogger. Yeah, but I need news, everywhere. In camera, people who want to channel dead pages and dead career, people try to what if tomorrow that person now hit a bro update? Only happen that tomorrow. Can if you have your trending news tomorrow, you will not have news again. You get one news, you get one update. Relax, yeah, everything I brought on here will be able to update. Somebody like me, maybe I may want you arrest. Did I post it? I don't post it up to today. I no post them. Okay, you go. But never go. About Jpac, chief of staff. I'm an intelligent civilian. Open a federal government must somebody who I am, or state government must somebody who I am. It was enable international FBI. It was enable CID, Criminal Investigation Department. Oyanchani who the takata. 1 week, me would bono. Johnson, new money. This person now say you are the one of the problem we have in this Anambra state. Because I am exposing you of fraud. They make expose of fraud. They make expose. They na rojobo kanje brojo. They make expose. They na Yahoo. In Dubai, if they catch you being a fraudster as a Yahoo, they will jail you. In China, the same thing, they will jail you. In every country of the world, if they catch you doing misconduct, they will jail you. So why my message will be different? Mega exposed neighbor Yahoo is seven number idiot. Number person, you are the problem. Guy Johnson, new money. If I catch you, where I will put you. Yeah, or change guy, you got your money before I fall. Here, man, mother, another giddy, and now, mockery everywhere. I had it too much. Yeah, from Monday morning till Tuesday, joy is coming. That is what I'm saying. In nature, we speak in parable, but all I know is that joy is coming. But you are carrying another person's news. Another person's news about MA investigation or somebody like had open able today, somebody like Agu Na Eche Mba. Will I talk? I will come up kwuo government na onye a yes onye a na-ezu ohi akwụnara tugo na onye a bụ onye ohi ọ bụ na akwụnara tugo were lock na ọ bụrụ nya maka akpọrọ for questioning ọ bụ na akwụnara tugo ka akpọrọ for questioning by now if don't carry flight available flight land in Anambra state gosi ha evidence of ndị scam gosi ha evidence of case wee mee arrest ọgba ọsọ na ogwu akpọ ọkịcha gosi evidence of ndị nwụrụ anwụ ebuputere ọgba ozu ha na internet Akwụnara Tugo nwere lock ọ nọghọ na be now ọ bụ na nobody will even speak for Akwụnara Tugo because gịnị ọ bụ notorious onye ohi amara azụrụ azụ a person who ran away from Thailand but also bata Nigeria bido na-eme abarakata a boy of 36 years my junior brother onye ntọrọtọ with how many years just to hapụcha afọ ọnụ hapụcha isi dada ka asị na okenye ka ọ bụ Akwụnara Tugo just nya je kede Chineke na ọ bụrụ nya maka ya ọ bụrụ Akwụnara Tugo ka enwudere akpọrọ for question by now mmeji available flight land ya n'Ọka because is obvious nwere ihe mma na Akwụnara Tugo bụ ochie okpokporo ikpo ochie onye ohi azụrụ azụ scammer rekọdụ ede ibute ozu mmadụ gbaa na Facebook gbaa na ịntanetị gbaa everywhere na-agba ndị mmadụ na onye anwụrụ anwụ bụ gị nwa nwee na gị arụsị gị egbure for that na asị ebude nka ka m gwa gị where do you have right to have the possession of ozu onye nwụrụ anwụ ya jee kene Chineke but na-ekpebe ekpere ka one day ka ya ghara ịkpọ for questioning akpọ for questioning wee nụ na akpọrọ Akwụnara Tugo for questioning piam o yesi that from that questioning a na-eje nga straight. So whenever whenever we are doing something in this life I na-eme ihe uche ya na-adị Bishop Junior I see you aṅụle ka ama obi mba I see you nwere onye na-etu ọnụ mana ihe a na-ekwu bụ Anambra State ya dị mma ndị Igbo ga-adị mma. May the soul of ndị na-egburu egbu rest in perfect peace. May the soul of ndị na-egburu egbu rest in perfect peace. Ana Igbo adịbago mma and ọ ga-adị mma and ọ ga-adị mma through me and you. We will help the government to combat crime so that joy ndekwu that is coming will actually come to fulfillment. Automatically joy is coming, and that joy is coming will come in your family, will come in my family, will come in everybody's family. Those who are still alive will also witness the joy. Even those who are gone, their family will witness the joy. And Igbo must be good again. And Igbo must be sanitized. And Igbo is a holy land, a land of Chineke Okike Abịama. And we must continue. We must help ourselves. Don't harbor any criminal. Don't harbor any onyojobo. My happiness today is that the governor himself, the amiable governor of the Anambra State government, governor, in the person of Professor Charles Chukwuma Soludo, in fact, he's more on social media these days. He listens to the voice of the masses. If there is any place you feel that governor is not doing well, you can as well use your social media platform to air your opinion, broadcast it. There are people that will copy the link and send it to the forum. People that will copy the link and send it to the platform where governor will see it. And governor will come immediately as fast as you can imagine. If governor is not around, the deputy will come. Anambra must be good again. So those people that are countermoting and destroying or trying to blackmail or trying to, discredit the work of governor are those they think that maybe the government did not come from their side. Or how be you can't expect anybody to love you. All those that think that government did not come from their side. I am up in Anambra South. We are happy with the work of Soludo. You know, because definitely one day I must go to work. How many of you know that now our the see from Ekulobia is Suofia to Nobi, double lane, and you are still criticizing this man? Governor, thank you very much for your good work and what you will still do in future. This project I'm talking about did not start today. The project starts, you know, right from the time when I assumed the office. Because of the election is on the corner. Prince I greet you. Governor na no money. From Isuofia Ekulobia, double lane. Isuofia Ichida, Adasi, Ibuku, you will not see that at broadcast. You will not see that at blog. Blogger will not, their eyes are blind. That is why many bloggers will end up just, I'm a blogger, I'm a blogger, I'm a blogger. What, you know, apart from blogging work, apart from social media, apart from entertainment, the defaults are contributing to society. The defaults are yes, no, apart from social media. But no, they like only evil news, bad news, bad news, bad news, bad news. Bad news, bad. A lot of people are doing so many businesses apart from social media. It's also bad news, bad news, bad news. They will not see the work of Governor Aro from Isuofia Aro to Nobi. From Newi, you will not know. You will not see the work that because Ibatono, and I buy from one Ashawo to one Ashawo, Isu over but then Nugun Rose Haro. You will not come back to fatherland, Gary Abenna, Anambra, so that you know what to say tomorrow. Emara from Newi roundabout. Now Mark and I do a double lane to Agolo. You don't know because that Batono. From Agolo, Abalana December. I could everywhere, double lane, and I could use say to Newi Imafwe. Because you are not coming back, you are an internet warrior. That's the reason why you will not know that now Bank Road Newi, they dilapidated there, they did very bad since years. Now Governor Solu is from Bank Road, Duala now could see everywhere, Duala is here, Pia was and Berry. You will not see it. Many of them that have been forgotten and in Newi and Anambra is the environment. And I could see now, you will not see it. If I got the also below. Who's a traffic light from traffic light to Ekusigo Okija Junction. Nana at Wala Square. Now you will not go see them because again, na or Sirona your state, yes, or Sirona your local government. The governor did not come from your local government. The governor did not come from Anambra Center. It did not come from Anambra North. That is why when you have a tire, you have forgotten that number will be an action or regulate, raw Mambra, raw Anam, raw airport. Everywhere in the Basara, that's Anambra side here, his own constituency. Did we complain? The answer is no. Onyabagote Yaro Obe. Onyabagote as a charity begins at home. Onyabagote Yaro go the constituency first. Let constituency feel the breeze of the governance. Maybe to be na Chinona Central. Where Kuroku or Daralo, Rudy, even Pitobi and the Chris in Gike. Just na Central, Mbahabatara, Alo, Ngigero, Mal, Alobro, small London, Ngige, Pitobi Bata, the whole of Agronine, tight everywhere, Usoni in the police, Buru going to live hotel, Buru Batara, Nalo, Tiana, Nasadi, Sade Nalo. Buru everything in a tea, Uroni, Demma, Oekuroku, no. We rejoice. Uruze Kasoludo Batasere, Anambra South. See Kulobe, Isuofia, Naguata, Noga, Naru everywhere, Nabarata, News, Hand, and Arose, because Obras also one particular place, Yadema, Open Anambra Central, Demma, Anambra North, Demma, Anambra South, Gadebama. ọ na-arụzi na-apụta gị nwa nọ na Anambra North na Central epụta na aga ndị Igbo amaghị eme politics. Let us learn how to do politics. But that is not my topic. Okwu na-ebute okwu. All I have to say is that joy is coming. Hey, ka ṅụọrọ onwe m Jameson. That is not my topic. Abraham here, I go salmon. Many people just jump into my broadcast thinking that Kaba Gasre or Jpac this joy is coming on. Yeah, but I release here, getting car. Relax here. Tomorrow you got the joy. We don't talk much. We only, shake the internet. As at last year 2024, I told Okongu Libya, if a native doctor gave you 5 million naira for you to drop a bandit, you were able to do business. Will you do that? I say, God forbid. Or no more. See, I give 5 million. Saying, God forbid. Today, 2025, the same time, is exactly the 10th time to wear the native doctor near 5 million. Okongu Chefuo last year, Chefuo them in our conversation. Not the 5 million cash. The same native doctor, well, see, and then when you get key where they be here. What is happening? Another Diego. It's not the same thing I told you yesterday or some last year, some lie. Now, God forbid, the one man will work another 5 million. Then can't go with there. Now, you can never do business of getting clinical. This what is it called? Accessories. I'm aware. Then you come with 5 million. Call with a choice here again. But tomorrow, Okongu Ganihu, I told him, Agwa if I see Okongu in Anambra State, or Ganihu, they make canvassing. They promote home youth, quick money, get money, get rich, and die trying. Or Ganihu, they promote him. If I see him in Anambra State, I will personally use my hand and arrest him. And you know what I can do? Because I follow to persuade the person. Let me not see you tomorrow. So the person go up on the phone. Ginger force was here. Settle onya. Now they jiri madi ofo. And they jiri madi hana ofo the ogu. Settle onya. Open tomorrow, I'll be against you. I will come up with evidence. I will come up with a voice recording. I will come up with every evidence I know. When I say Jpac now here's the I can't get that money now to settle the Okongu, to pay him off. And see, look for money, settle the Okongu. Today, Omechara may ya even when they are looking for money everywhere, also no one about for ego. But they charge ego at POS or guard about the whole POS needed about 5 or 4 POS. I got we won't charge the money cash. You see, I go and present it cash. He won't go and send there by transfer. He might not believe natural cash. He may today they go come 5 million. From now till 6 months time, I'm gonna come where was the age of 5 million naira. We made something valuable as I advise him as a brother. I advise him to go and look for shop. They go and use Rugi boy here. If not for anything, I will contact Perfect Gadget, big gadgets. If we're at 3 million, Perfect you be here 6 million with my influence. Offer Louis me here tomorrow, I will personally moto Okongu like this, and the day I will do it. Let nobody blame me, but I will only give Okongu 6 months to make use of that money. That young man that I have when I have not said this thing before. But I'm on the Okongu we like that. Yes, I come on over you. Call my area and Napata. Located as yes, nature. When Boga Boru, only open about all New Congo from now till 6 months is too much. 3 months. Ma for hebo channel ego that young man tarafu. He agreed never buy motor. Mono oje go tere onye de Congo 5 million. Ma for hebo Congo channel ego God useful to himself. But they go today. I will be glad and your advice. My friend channel that money. Kakani huna ware from one native doctor. I got a go see Zenko na one day be go we Zenko. E money on a one day be we money. All this money in their respect, you put their video in a share and I like. How I one day be go or say no. So I give you Congo 3 months. Here have February, that's March. This is February, February, March, April, May, just 3 months, May. From now till January, February, March, April, May. Just April and May. Obona Congo making use of that money. Personally, I will come after him. Save quite a video and then blogger. And then I market and download the video, download the one here. I say, Jpac, what is your business? Get a business, this and that. I want to have my business not concern me, but it will concern me to clear the air, the masses. Mbosaya, I want that. Mba say then you don't 5 million. See, and the native doctor could hold her. See a Congo, Anambra, what it goes a day. I was native and Irua, Abasnam, Council Women, Abasnam Madi, Commemorate way. Negua, Cardiac Mabaraka. The video is here. I won't find the complete video. I have never deleted it. Look at the phone. The young man stated that Congo, Anambra, when it goes a day, I said, man, I abandoned it and Irua and that. I just hear it on Facebook or I will. Or someone else here. I don't want to leave you empty-handed. Where the is part of empowerment, which I appreciate very well. And the Congo, my own came. I want to be on a Okorobada. Then you will here can deliver this message. Always after 2 months, if Okongo did not use that money well, 2 things are involved. Either Okongo vomits that money. Vomit that all they use will go well. Can abandon the na online. Also, no Calaba. Also, maybe not. Maybe he think that he can do anything. After all, it's not it's not within his jurisdiction. Operon Ogwe, Sandra was a son of Anambra, and therefore, Kamjeze Calaba, and Anje Jabode, and Anjeze Bini, and Jeze. As long as you're on a social media space, because people are following you, your video is being recommended everywhere. So, 16 years for the video, okay, make you know, okay, for the influence. More get Jack and Moro Congo. Open not threatening. Madokongo no yendeku or bare. Mbe nwewu ọnụ na-etu ọnụ na nyere m onye advice and o ji emere ife. I'm very happy, very very much happy for somebody to cough out 5 million this hard time. Obara aya na no niru a why I don't did not give him such settlement. To Okongo bia nwe goes bagwa. Oga goes wega. But this young man is not trying to be a Congo moto, or Congo Dibia moto. No game, ego, or trying her game. And the man stated that a Congo JTA Ghana business. Where a boy offer Nyakwe, Sia, Tia Ghana. Obuno Congo, me fem now. In your game, Mebu. Oga try, she, ya glare nefe. Or try kene chi iya glene that mwa iya glene fe mere oju egbe sia na offer jide ti na ego a Kai makede no na iya glede ya wanna hate this iwe or law na guide the Anambra state from the Libya. Okongu dibia were ego a fi na business pie offer n'isi. Ka ma na Okongu ya progress with that money. O make checks and balancing. Take a stock within 6 months. Now 5 million now you add the 5.5 or you add the 6 million or 7 million in business. Again with cheap na chop. Ko ari bo ru echi Okongu were ego a na the lodge in a 5-star hotel. Or were ego a na the lodge ya the hotel. Kita na on Lagos. Or were go then lodge and a golden tulip. Were go lodge and a charity, they beg a lot of mob na. Were go then lodge and a Radisson Blue. Or a Marriott Hotel Ikeja. Oh, were go lodge and a hotel. Body charge the money. Yeah, don't wanna complain, right? Yeah, glad we don't want to hear that. Let him use that money. Though economy is very bad, 5 million with the card, but only here will still use 5 million with my own contacts, which I have promised him. I can call for Feng and Yue Shorty, Ma Shorty Udokongu, Naka for Feng. Say for Feng, because the 5 million now. I may super complete because no ya shop. Those here near pay go generator. Those here of ma. Let's say you made that 5 million, 2.5 apple go email. You know, go over and cause wash shop, church shop on the street. You know, a room, self-contained, about 800,000, 1 million. Those here, with 2.5. Now you could be 5 million. Came with a sample in a shop. I am having the blogger. A content creator couldn't cause you wine, tax your wine, Kajan or your cook, no name office here, accessories for Feng. I got a sure wine, I no area. That dog okay, make it back more money. I made that video last year, but Okongu don't want to hear. When I will away people. That now, even if people are insulting him, he's still making. People are still sharing his video. Okay, idiot, man, they are still sharing his video. So yeah, use what that aspect, yeah, that people like him because of his stature, because of his face, the way he talk, the way he behave. Could see his own personal business. When I was doing business school, I could say that you have to build on yourself as a boss. Also, having a pure water on the street, in a bottled water and a hold up. As long as you are a boss of your own, you decide when to go home and when to come back. You decide when to resume work. You decide you are the boss. At that point in time, up the boss. Oh, yeah, no, Okongu a shop. Hey, now Okongu a shop. Now what? Nakajo na Okongu they go charger. Onya will very go when I charge na aru but action na Okongu. I go charger. Okongu gadget. Okongu gadget. Yes. Okongu gadget. Okongu. I think the name is very okay. I think the name rhyme. Okongu gadget. Yes. Everybody, Amanda Kagare Gwezogo. Okongu gadget. Save this name. Okongu gadget. Yes, it's good. Gadget and Okongu gadget go charger. Just come or just bear and coach Kongu. I say photo my video. Okongu one over charger there 2,000. Okongu they say 5,000. Oh, because no single photo my video. One or the other than Okongu. Okongu should make use of his senses. Even the Libyan one who even I walk to what I can book one Libya or hotel to tell you business boom machine. mmiri enwe ilo na-eme dibịa ọrụ hotel nke ahụ n'Enugu steeti afọ eze felo ọ bụ dibịa ọrụ hotel this will make you a boss. Mighty Thunder Gavere, many of them run hotel. As will be in Asaba, when a hotel investment. Okongama niwege wegi, and I told him I not send after you're a small boy. Our last born a family, 10 years we are total. Kena Azwa and Alaba International. So you're a small boy, I can advise you. Why I'm advising you because I like you as a person. If I don't like you, number one, I will block you. Number one, you will not give me online. Number two, nothing about you, I will follow. I won't follow you. If you enjoy a guitar, Bobo Kongo, I'll call you on phone singing. Back here, no. It's an singing Megalia. Poor. Because I don't want to hear, hey, I will say, because if we have a problem today, I must surely come. If I did not come, my money will come. So that's not my topic. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. Depends on your location. Joy is coming. Oh, well, good day, what's the joy is coming. Joy is coming. Joy is coming. Hey, you know. Line news. Chukunonye Anyebu Osigwe Nonye. I see you. Bene Iloane Moye. Edu Brazil, my namesake. Frederick. I see you. Israel Oguchi Onyama. Daniel Corey. Shima. Jeff Shanomba. Ikem Edwin Chidon. John Kelly John Marshall Okechukwu Emmanuel Oji Titus Emeka Rishu Kafo Onyewuche Chiklechi City Boy I see you Manuel Onyabuchi John Jesus Okay Udala Benjamin Ezerioha Stanley Wodo Kechinduka Ikechukwu Opera Ndobisi Okoro Innocent Ane Chinenye Nwa Esther Moses Nwa Nwodo Bobby Ejike Chibuike Uche Aruba Okodile Okafo Naomo Alicia I see you.
Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Drop what you have to say in the comment section and subscribe on this channel. Share this video, like and comment. Thank you for watching. God bless you.